So these are all relays. There are 15 relays in total. What we will be using will be relays 1 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relay number 6. So these are the ones that are turned on. They are set to automatic mode. We can either turn it to automatic or manual. Right now there are 6 of them are set to automatic. So we will operate them. Now these are the contactors. Contactor 1 through 6 and then so on until 15. So the wires are connected properly to our PCB. Our PCB has 8 relays, but we are only using 6 right now. So relays are connected 1 through 6, 1 through 6. So the connection is set. Now we are testing it. So when this happens, the LEDs of the relays will turn on, and also at the contactors there will be a click sound, and these things will go inside. And when we turn on, they will turn off, they will come outside. So we will test this. Okay. Now if you see, all the LEDs 1 through 6, okay, one LED is not working, but rest of them are working. So okay, Kumar, now off all of them. Okay, on 3 and 5.
3 and 5.
Okay, off.